Okay, good morning, students. Today we will see about what is lean production. Lean production is that is just in time. Wastage will be minimized and waste operations. Waste operation means that is a recycling of the product will be carried out in the lean production system. Main basic objective is minimizing the waste, and if the waste is also happen, that has to be minimized. It is a flexible resource also. Flexible means the manufacturing company can able to follow the resources available in the system. That is, a standard operating routine for a worker will be followed for the company. That is, when the work should be started and when the work should be completed. Shift wise also, the number of jobs completed per day, that will lead to the calculation for a week, and that will be finally calculated for a month. And it is leading to the arrangement of cellular layout. Arrangement is similar identical machines will be arranged together, and it will be in that also. And a pull system means the system material is pulled through the system when needed. Reversal of traditional push, where the material is pushed according to the schedule, force competition. Then in that analysis, in the pull system, Kanban strategy is used. Kanban strategy means maintain discipline of full production, authorize production and movement of goods. Types of Kanban: production Kanban, withdrawal Kanban also there. Production Kanban is authorizes production of goods. Withdrawal Kanban means authorize movement of goods. So both are leading to the movement of goods only. One is for production and another one is for withdrawal. And determining the number of Kanbans formula is there. We can use for calculating the Kanban. And small lots, that is for finding small that is spaces available less, means we can follow small slots only. Small slots means number of specimen will be produced less, also machine availability of the space is also less. And quick setup means so in between the duration, the specimen will not be ideal. That is, without the tool work, the specimen will not be ideal. The work will be continuously shared. And common technique for reducing setup means initially tool was not observed in that machine available, but tooling is also required. That is, tools are required for manufacturing the process is a most thing. And uniform production levels will be followed. Mixed model sequence means different process will be carried out in the different machines. So those machines will be arranged, and that is different mixed model sequence. Then quality at that source. Quality means after production, the quality of the specimen will be tested, and in that quality also visual inspection was there. So if the specimens are having a similar, we can find it is without measuring the dimension. If the specimen are having same similar look, we can say it is accurate thing. But later on, automation is used for inspection also. that is manual inspection may be in trouble due to it depends upon the labor and his eyesight also. So after keeping all this in mind, automation in inspection was carried out, and as well as total productive maintenance. This will manage job shop floor also. So total production productive maintenance means the chip and everything will be transported from that place, so that accidents in the workshops will be stopped. And a supplier network also. After supplying, the feedback from the customer will be received through supplier also. So benefits of lean production: improved quality, lower cost, reduced space requirements, shorter lead time, increased productivity, and greater flexibility, better relationship with the supplier, simplified scheduling and control activities, increased capacity, better use of human resources, more product variety. So these are carried out in the lean manufacturing system.